Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Portal. Azure. Come with an account that has global admin or user admin permissions. This is required to create groups. Once signed in, open Azure Active Directory and choose Groups. Make sure you pick the correct group type, because Microsoft 365 versus security affects licensing and mail features. Now click New Group, enter a clear display name and description, and select Assigned or Dynamic Membership. These first choices determine how members are added and how the group behaves. Once the group shell exists, add owners immediately so someone can manage it. Owners prevent orphan groups. If you use Assigned Membership, add individual users or other groups directly. If you choose Dynamic Membership, craft rules like department equals sales or user type equals member. Test them with the validation tool. Make sure to consider nested groups for role inheritance and check licensing and exchange settings when mail-enabled features are needed, because those settings impact access and mail delivery. You finish by reviewing privacy and membership settings, enabling expiration if required, and saving the group. Then assign the group to apps, SharePoint sites, or conditional access policies so it grants the intended access. After creation, verify membership and assignments in the group pane and check audit logs for changes. If things go wrong, remember one key troubleshooting step. If members don't appear, validate dynamic rule syntax, confirm sync cycles or Azure AD Connect status, and ensure you have permission to view effective memberships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.